Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today video will tell about body lotion and use of body lotion. So let's start today's video. While we moisturize our faces daily to keep our skin supple and hydrated, our bodies need a little moisturizing TLC. The skin on our body is exposed to the elements just like our face. The sun, environmental factors, sweat, hot showers, central heating and cold snaps can all dry out and irritate the skin. Regular skin moisturizing helps soothe scaly, uncomfortable, rough or patchy skin. Although this is a very simple step in your body care routine, how to use body lotion is a skill that enhances your post-bath body care routine. Learn to discover tricks on how to use body lotion for the best results that will leave you with silky, soft, comfortable skin. Before we get down to how to use body lotion, let's start with the basics and uncover what is body lotion. Body lotion is moisturizer designed to use all over your body. In much the same way we moisturize our face every day, our body benefits from a daily dose of hydration. Body lotions tend to be richer than face moisturizers and are sometimes formulated to tackle specific issues, such as cellulite or toning. Body lotions can be rich creams, milks, light mousses or hydrating oils. They may have a thick formula that coats the body in a luxurious layer of moisture that dehydrated skin will drink up. Lightweight textures are ideal for oilier types who still want that dose of moisture without the associated slippery feeling that sometimes comes with body lotion. Regularly applying body lotion can help soften and soothe uncomfortable skin. It can also help minimize wrinkles, particularly in exposed areas such as your chest, and calm flare-ups or irritated patches. Body lotion supports the skin barrier, the skin's front line of defense against microbial invasion that can be stripped by cleansing, nourishing ingredients in body lotions can restore the skin barrier's natural defenses and help keep the skin's microbiome balanced and healthy. Many body lotions contain ingredients that help to target specific issues like dryness, loss of elasticity, cellulite, acne, eczema, and keratosis pilaris. Body lotion feels great. Applying gorgeous-smelling moisturizing lotions post-bath or shower. Body lotion can invigorate your body and mind. If you like our video, please like, comment, share and, of course, subscribe the channel. We will talk again in the next video. Bye bye.